Old phrases we still use today have intriguing origins. In the 19th century, valuable books were often disguised with plain covers to mislead potential thieves, giving rise to the expression, "You can't judge a book by its cover." In the 16th century, the nursery rhyme, "Hey diddle diddle," featured a cow jumping over the moon, which became a symbol of great achievement. People began to say they were over the moon to express their joy, just like the cow. In the 1700s, naval ships often targeted enemy sails to slow them down, leading to the phrase, "Take the wind out of their sails," which describes undermining someone's effort. Additionally, ancient Celtic weddings involved couples tying their hands together with ribbons, representing love and trust, leading to the expression, "tie the knot," still used to describe marriage today. Horse racing in the late 19th century also contributed to our language. Races often concluded with a wire stretched across the finish line to determine the winner, resulting in the phrase, "down to the wire," which signifies situations that come down to the last moment. Finally, the term boss evolved in the 17th century when American workers adopted the Dutch word to respectfully refer to their employers, moving away from the term master. These phrases enrich our everyday conversations, revealing the fascinating history behind our language.